Volunteer Toolkit Handbook.
Hi there! I'm glad you're interested in helping kids connect with the out of doors. Project Get Outdoors has a great toolkit of resources to help you get started. One important part of the toolkit is a handbook. Sarah, can you tell them about the handbook while we finish our hike?
I sure can. The handbook is designed to give you all the information you need to set up your program and keep it running. When we surveyed program leaders, they all agreed that the handbook provides a crucial framework for building their programs. You'll want to refer to your handbook often. It has 5 sections. The first section is an introduction that highlights the vision, mission, and history of the program. It also explains the program's educational approach. The descriptions of 4 pilot programs will give you an idea how other communities have set up their programs. We've also included answers to frequently asked questions. By reading this section, you'll get a good understanding of how your community can benefit from Project Get Outdoors. The second section covers the planning phase of your own Project Get Outdoors program. A checklist is provided to help you stay on track as you complete a series of specific tasks for planning your program. This chapter covers such tasks as forming a planning team of local community leaders, finding and screening your volunteers, and working out the logistics of your local program. It also takes you through the steps of getting chartered by 4-H or Scouts, if you choose to partner with them, and raising funds in your community to pay for the costs of field trips, snacks, and activities. The third section covers the growing phase of your program. Once again, a checklist guides you through a series of tasks to get your program started, including promoting your program to the community, registering participants, training volunteers, tracking attendance, and being prepared for any accidents. The fourth section of the handbook covers the ongoing phase of your program. In this section, a checklist of tasks will help you evaluate your growing program, report its progress to the community, solve problems, discover new ideas to improve your program, continue fundraising, and encourage your volunteers. These steps are designed to help your program flourish. The final section of the handbook is the appendix. It gives you templates for registration forms, volunteer applications and background checks, press releases, and much more. The appendix forms are also on a CD-ROM. This lets you download them to your computer so they can be changed to fit your program. I've only given you a quick tour of the handbook, so I recommend that you take time to read it thoroughly. It's based on the experience of successful Project Get Outdoors programs, and it provides you more than enough information to get a solid program off the ground.
You can get additional training and help if you're in an area where there's a regional coordinator for Project Get Outdoors. If there isn't a regional coordinator available, you can always visit the Project Get Outdoors website for other training aids.